Hi, my name is Sylvie and my job is to take the overwhelm out of paleo living. Finding a great paleo snack is not always easy. Sweet potatoes are filled with vitamin C, vitamin A, antioxidant, and they are delicious. Let me show you my favorite way to prepare them. You can not only have them for snack, but you can also have them for dinner, as a side dish, for breakfast. I think you'll love them. So once your potatoes are peeled, all you need to do is chop them. I've always loved roasted sweet potatoes. They are so delicious, but wait till you hear what the secret ingredient is. So you could make them in the form of French fries, but I just chop them in pieces because I just find it so much quicker. It tastes just as good, obviously. So then you put some avocado oil and salt. Throw it in the oven that's been preheated to 425 Fahrenheit and bake it until nicely done. You'll find they'll turn out golden and some of them will be crispy. What makes them truly incredibly delicious is the garlic mayo that you serve as a dip or an accompaniment. And here's how you make it. You use one avocado, the juice of one orange, and 1 clove of garlic. After you do this, you just blend it until it's nice and smooth. I actually ended up adding the juice of another half orange and some salt to get the right texture. So the dip is done and it tastes delicious. That's what your potatoes will look like when they are ready. See this snack? I just love it. It's amazing. And for more paleo snack ideas, don't forget to check the link in the description below.